Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable and use IP filter on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin. Currently I'm on Cudy.net website. You can access this website on any device that is currently connected to your Cudy network. Anyway, we want to head to advanced settings, and right under security we should see IP filter. Here we can choose the IP filter. Basically there's three options: the way to disable it completely, allow all except listed, or allow listed only. This is basically a blacklist, so you can ban very specific people, and this is a whitelist, meaning that everyone is by default banned, and the people that you actually input here are the ones that are allowed to enter and use your network. So I'm going to go with the blacklist option. And if we want to add some IP address that cannot enter our network, we simply hit this add. Here we can input the IP address, then we can input the subnet mask, and then we can add some custom comments so we can actually remember who is this. So for example, I can say that, let's say I will want to ban the very default address, and it being I almost know how to write 13, let's say, and then you input this one, and you can say that this is Josh, I hate Josh. And after you are done with inputting the IP address, the subnet mask, and the optional comment, you can hit save and apply in order to ban this IP from using your network. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.